Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon fish Indian style, easy method. Pat the salmon dry and season with salt immediately. Make a simple marinade with yogurt, turmeric, chili, garam masala, and lemon. Let the fish rest for at least 20 minutes so flavors penetrate. Use a non-stick pan or bake at medium heat until just cooked through, aiming for moist, flaky salmon with bright Indian spices. Start by mixing yogurt, turmeric, garam masala, chili powder, minced ginger, garlic, and lemon juice into a smooth paste. Coat each salmon fillet evenly, pressing the marinade lightly so it sticks. Keep refrigerated while marinating and bring to room temperature for a few minutes before cooking. This step builds a tangy, aromatic crust that complements the fish, giving you a simple Indian-style profile without long prep or complicated techniques. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a compact helper that plays music, sets timers, and keeps recipes handy while you cook. It's a small upgrade that makes kitchen time more fun and efficient. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick pan with a touch of oil and sear the marinated salmon, cooking about 3 to 4 minutes per side, depending on thickness. Alternatively, place fillets on a lined tray and bake at 375 degrees F for 10 to 14 minutes for even doneness. Both approaches deliver flaky, moist fish when you avoid overcooking. Garnish with cilantro and lemon to add freshness and balance the spice for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.